i35equipment.com. This is the Komatsu PC160LC-7KA hydraulic track excavator. It does have the manual thumb on it. Straight from the job site. Edition. We welcome you to come look this machine over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator, or hire a local one to come look it over with you. It is shown by appointment only. To get on our calendar, please give us a call or fill out the form on our website. Our phone number here is 405-833-6437. As always, delivery to your farm or job site is available. You can take the same steps as getting on our calendar to get a hauling quote by giving us a call or filling out the form on the website, www.i35equipment.com. Appreciate you taking time to watch this video. Look forward to hearing from you soon, and hope you have a great day.